Hello everyone. So in the previous video we saw how to interface ultrasonic distance measuring sensor with Arduino and how to measure the distance of any object from the ultrasonic distance measuring sensor. So in this video we are gonna see another sensor, that is DHT11 sensor, and also known as digital temperature and humidity sensor. So in this video I won't be using the simulations. The reason being, there are no good simulations available for DHT11 sensor, and other reason is I wanted to show you how to make a circuit using breadboard and real sensor and real actuators. And you will observe we are gonna do exactly the same things what we were doing during the simulations. So let's quickly move on and start doing this circuit. So first thing first, I will do the power circuit. So I hope till now you know what is power circuit. It is pretty simple. It is about providing the power. So I am taking the 5 volt from here. I hope you can see here 5 volt, and I will connect it to the positive. And second one is I will take ground and connect to the negative. So here is my ground and here is my negative. So our power circuit is done. So I won't be connecting the back two lines. So reason being, I don't need it. But if you want to connect this with this, you can. No one is stopping you. Okay. So now let's begin the connection for DHT11. So let's first see the pins. So what all the pins do we have here? So as you can see, this is VCC. VCC is nothing but power pin. Second one is the data pin, and third one is GND, that is ground. So now let's quickly begin the connections. So I will connect VCC to the 5 volt. So here is my VCC, and from here I am connecting it to the 5 volt. Second one is ground, and from the ground I need to connect it to the negative ground or Arduino's ground. Okay, done. Now only one connection is left, that is data. So I will take the middle pin like this, and I will connect it to the D2, Arduino's D2. So 0, 1, 2. So that's it for connections. As you saw, connections are pretty easy. So now let's quickly jump into the desktop and see the code. Now let's quickly see the code. So first thing you need to do before uploading the code is install the appropriate library. So here we are using DHT.h. So you just need to go to this library section and type DHT. So you will get the multiple option for DHT. So here in this example we are using the DHT sensor library provided by Adafruit. So once the installation of library is done, what you need to do, we need to write the code. So we define the DHT pin. So we know DHT sensor is connected at pin number 2. After that we need to define the DHT type. So here we are using the DHT11. After that we will initiate the DHT sensor library. Okay, so once this initiation will done, what happens, the object will be created of DHT class. So here we got the object. Now object have all the functions and functionalities what we need. So first we will begin this DHT sensor. Okay, first we will begin this DHT sensor. So once we click the begin, or once we hit the begin, now our Arduino and DHT sensor is communicating. So I am taking the humidity value as a float using the read humidity function. So all this function I haven't written. These functionalities are provided by this library. Okay. After that I am using the read temperature function and I am reading the temperature. After that I am just checking if any one of this value is none. If any of this value is none, I am just give the message to the user failed to read from DHT sensor. So once this is done, I will calculate the heat index. So you might ask, hey, what is heat index? So it is concept like there will be some humidity and there will be some temperature. So heat index is actually how much hotness you will feel in the particular environment conditions. So if you don't know, if you go to the coastal areas, their temperatures are low but humidities are high. So there you will feel more heat or more hotness compared to the places like Bangalore. So once I calculated the heat index, just I will print all this data into the serial monitor. Now let's upload the code. Okay, code has been, okay, it is still compiling. So let's wait, it is uploading now. Okay, done uploading. So in case if you face any error while compiling or uploading, what I will suggest, please check the libraries. So many beginner get this part wrong. So you must choose the correct library, else you won't be able to access the functions like read humidity and read temperature. So now let's quickly begin the serial monitor. So it is connected 9600, and yeah, it is giving me the humidity, temperature in degree Celsius, temperature in degree Fahrenheit, heat index in degree Celsius, heat index in Fahrenheit. So I got a letter. So let's bring some fire. So when I bring fire, what will happen? The humidity will decrease and temperature will increase. So please observe. Okay, my bad. So what happened? I like so whenever you do this thing, no, don't bring fire too close. Else it is also possible you can melt the some of the connections or pins. So as you can see, temperature is increasing and humidity is decreasing. So our sensor is working perfectly fine. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.